You know how everyone keeps saying that H-1B workers are highly skilled and that US companies need them? Well, an Indian origin professor just broke the entire narrative in just one interview. And his explanation is shaking a lot of people in the Silicon Valley. Ronil Hira, a professor at Harvard University and a long-time critic of H-1B visa program, went on the show System Update. And when he was asked about why American companies love hiring H-1B visa workers so much, his answer was blunt. They're cheaper, they're easier to control. This was his answer. Hira explained that most H-1B visa workers coming from US don't actually have a rare and extraordinary skill. In fact, he said that the skills are ordinary and widely available in the American job market. So, why do companies still prefer them? Well, the reason number one is lower wages. Under the current rules, companies can legally pay H-1B visa under the less American workers for the same job. That saves the companies millions and millions of dollars every single year. Reason number two being the controllability. H-1B visa workers' legal status is tied to their employer. That means they can't easily switch jobs, they can't negotiate aggressively, and they're less likely to report the workplace exploitation. One wrong move and they're risking their whole entire job in the US job market. Hira says the real problem is that H-1B visa program is being treated like an immigration pathway, but it was never meant to be one. It's a labor policy, a guest worker program, and many more. And according to him, the guest workers program should come with a strong protection, but H-1B visa program has some of the weakest. That it's exactly why the Silicon Valley loves it. He even pointed out the case of Disney and University of California, where American employees were reportedly forced to train the replacements. People brought into the H-1B visa to take over the same job at a lower cost. So the real question is H-1B visa program actually bringing the top global talent, or this is just being used as a cheap labor pipeline? Tell me what you think in the comments.